Part 3, AGC, Manipulating Matrices.
Rob, I would like to have you illustrate how you would do matrix using the calculator, and then how you would send the results of that computation to the Tiger to emboss it so that a blind youngster could read his or her, the results of his or her computation. And if you would just start out with illustrating how you would do a matrix on using the calculator, the accessible graphing calculator, and then tell us step by step how you would transform that answer into a readable answer by blind youngsters, please.
Sure. So to input a matrix, I use the same calculator notation that the matrix is used all over. So
Start matrix.
Start with a bracket,
One.
and I use commas between elements in the same row, and then the end of row I use a semicolon. Okay, so I'm just going to create a matrix. This is 2, 1, semicolon, 2, 1.
In matrix.
And I'll multiply
Asterisk.
that by
Start
another
matrix.
matrix. This will be 4, 5, semicolon, 4, 5. So these
In matrix.
are two by 2 matrices. I'm going to multiply them together. Just hit enter.
Begin matrix 12, column 15, row 12, column 15, end matrix.
So, and that just read my results, 12, 15, 12, 15.
And I presume that you can go through that character by character.
Oh, sure. You,
1, 2, 1, 5, row 1.
so yeah, exactly. So now that I have
Begin matrix 12, column 15, row 12, column 15, end matrix.
my results, I'll just select it and I'll probably read it
Begin
again.
matrix 12, column 15, row 12, column 15, end matrix.
And I'm just going to, so to do that, I did a shift end, pretty common control.
Now you're preparing this to be able to be sent to the Tiger embosser, is that correct?
Right. I'm just so I guess kind of the model we were working under is, I'm a student doing my homework and I need to turn in the results from all my work, and I'm just going to basically just copy and paste the results of all my calculations. So I'm in Microsoft Word, and here I'll just say that, let's call that problem 1. So I'll just type a 1 period space and paste my results in. And then if I wanted to, right now, this is just the default text of my document, which is Times New Roman size 12. If I wanted to create a list of this to create, to ink for my teacher, I would just print it off. For the Tiger, I'm going to select all, and I'm going to change this font to our computer braille font. So I'm just going to scroll down here and find that. And then because Braille is big, I need to change it from the default size of 12 to 29, which is a close approximation of the font size of Braille. And then I just print it off. So let's go to File and Print, select my Tiger, and hit OK.
And this then, as the Tiger is embossing there, you, just to clarify, you actually were embossing this in computer braille code, not Namath code.
Right.
But computer braille code, as we know, is very close to Namath code, and it would be my point that any youngster who can read computer braille, the computer braille code, will be able to interpret this perfectly okay, perfectly fine.
Agreed.